Хто тут?
Around 20 Russian troops were either killed or wounded in a Ukrainian kamikaze drone attack on a logistics center, local HQ, weapons depot, and field hospital in occupied Solovyov, Donetsk Oblast. A Russian column in the Kharkiv region was attacked by units of the 3rd Assault Brigade with the help of the 66th Mechanized and 77th Airborne Brigade that were redeployed to the area in order to strengthen the Ukrainian defense. 3 units of equipment were destroyed beyond repair and 4 more were damaged. The enemy was scattering, but some of the personnel were found and cleared, minus a platoon of Russian infantry, not counting the crews, the brigade adds. Ukrainian defenders are facing Russians in the north of Kharkiv region in well-prepared defense lines. Concrete shelters are connected with each other by a network of trenches. It's possible to conduct an almost circular defense. A warrior shared and showed the fortifications on video. Ukrainian soldiers say that these positions are better fortified than the ones near Bakhmut were some time ago. Defense lines are well made and Russians won't be able to get through them.
Готовлена лінія оборони. Бетонне укриття поєднані між собою мережею окопів. Можна вести майже кругову оборону. Таких позицій укріплених наш підрозділ на Бахмутському напрямку не зустрічав. Тільки тут такі є.
Смотрите, який класний дот. Виконаний з железобетону, надійної товщини. Оборудован нормально. Все, что есть надо, буржуйка, снаружи, обложен лесом. Кто говорит, что плохо сделано, засыпан землей. Ну, самое лучшее, что было у нас.
Right now, Vovchansk is under the control of the Ukrainian armed forces. The situation is stable and under control. Ukrainian Brigadier General and Military Chief of the Kharkiv region, Serhiy Marcel Melnik, said.
Ситуація стабільна, контрольована, тому все в порядку, не переживайте.
FPV operators from the 47th Mechanized Brigade flew an FPV drone with an incendiary warhead into a barn full of Russian soldiers. I guess that those that were inside didn't make it. Ukrainian border guards in close combat with Russian DRG units in the Kharkiv region. Intense footage.
Хто тут? Ваня, заряжай патрон. На.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.